Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived an old farmer with your three sons. The sons often quarreled among themselves, refusing to work together. Their constant disagreements worried the farmer, as he was getting old and weak. One day, the farmer decided to teach them a lesson. He called his sons together and showed them a bundle of sticks tied tightly with a rope. Handing the bundle to the eldest son, he said, "Try to break these sticks." The eldest son used all his strength but could not break the bundle. Then the farmer handed it to the second son, who also failed. Finally, the youngest son tried but could not break the bundle either. The farmer then untied the bundle and gave its son a single stick. "Now, break the sticks one by one," he instructed. This time, the sons easily broke the sticks. The farmer smiled and said, "See, when the sticks are tied together, they are strong and unbreakable. But when separated, they are weak and can be broken easily. The same good for you. If you work together and support each other, no challenge will be too great. But if you keep fighting and stay divided, you will struggle to success." The sons understood the wisdom of their father's words. From that day forward, they began to work together as a team, supporting one another in every task. The moral of the story: unity is strength, and teamwork can overcome an obstacle.